man sa kung paano mo tignan ng ibang tao.
Some people are criticizers.
Merong mga tao na sila ay mahilig mamuna.
They are professional fault finders.
Sila ay mga biyasa sa paghanap ng mali ng iba.
Verse 16, the Pharisees said, "This man is not from God,
Sa 16, ang taong ito ay hindi galing sa Diyos.
because he healed him on the wrong day."
Sapagkat hindi nangingilin sa Sabat.
Think about this. He was blind, now he can see.
Pasihin nyo, siya'y bulag, pero nakakakita na.
Not good.
Sabi nila, hindi mabuti.
Luke 18:9. He
18:9.
spoke this parable to those who trusted in themselves that they were righteous, and they despised others.
At kanya sinalita naman ang talinghagang ito, nagsisiasa sa kanilang sarili na nagpapanggap na sila'y matutuwid at pinawawalang halaga ang lahat ng mga iba.
This tells of a man that he goes into the temple, he goes into church,
Ito yung mga tumutukoy sa mga tao na sila'y dumadalo sa iglesia.
and he's looking around,
Sila'y tumitingin sa paligid
despising,
at hinahamak.
looking down,
Binababa ang tingin.
seeing other people as having no value.
Tinitignan yung ibang tao na walang halaga.
That has to do with your salvation.
Tumutukoy dito sa iyong kaligtasan.
People begin to decline spiritually.
Mga tao na sila'y lumalala sa kanilang spiritual na katayuan,
They can see the things of God and it is of no value anymore.
nakita nila yung gawa ng Diyos pero hindi na nila ito pinapahalagahan.
They can be in church where other people, they are moved by God.
Pwede sila nasa iglesia at nakikita nila sila'y inihipo ng Diyos.
One person is excited about what God is
May
doing.
isang tao, sabik siya sa gagawin ng Panginoon.
But people who are not doing well spiritually,
Pero yung mga tao na hindi mabuti ang kanilang spirito,
they're bored in church.
nakakaburyo naman.
The Word of God is going forth and they're playing games on their cell phone.
Habang nakikinig, sila ay naglalaro sa kanilang telepono.
2 Timothy 4:10, Demas has forsaken me, having loved this present world.
2 Timoteo 4:G, sapagkat ako'y pinabayaan ni Dimas, palibhasa ay iniibig niya ang sanlibutan ito.
And then there is rebellion.
At meron pang ang rebelyon.
There are people who reject authority and walk away from the church and the fellowship that got them saved.
May mga tao na sila hindi nagpapasakop sa